Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is dividing scientific notation. Remember a couple of the different ways to write in scientific notation and the different parts that need to be true. First factor, equal to 1 or less than 1. I'm sorry, equal to 1 or greater than 1 but less than 10. Power of 10 factor with the exponents. Alright, dividing scientific notation. We have 1.488 times 10 to the 11th divided by 3 times 10 to the negative second. They are being divided by each other. Like multiplication, you're going to first divide your first factors. So I'm going to look at that part there. Divide those two out. When I divide it, I get 0 and 496. And then looking at dividing your powers. Remember, like we learned, if you're dividing powers and the bases are the same, you are going to subtract your exponents. So I look at 10 to the 11th. I'm going to minus that negative 2, which is going to give me 10 to the 13th power. So I've completed the division. Now I need to look to make sure my answer is written correctly in scientific notation. Looking at my first factor, it is not written correctly in scientific notation. My first in front of the decimal point cannot be a 0. So I need to change and move this one place. So this is going to equal 4 and 96 hundredths. Because I moved my decimal point one place, I need to adjust my power here. I took away a decimal point place. So now I'm going to take away a power here. So it's going to be now 10 to the 12th as my final answer. Alright, so a couple of things. When you're dividing scientific notation, divide your first factors by each other, get your answer. Your powers, when you're dividing, when the bases are the same, you are subtracting your exponents. And then double check to make sure your answer is written correctly in scientific notation. Remember our first factor, equal to 1 or greater, less than 10, and then this has to be some sort of power of 10. Thank you.